Solar eclipses, they happen all of the time. They're advertised as these once-in-a-lifetime things, but I swear we get them every single year. This is a sentiment that I see a lot on social media. But is it true? How rare are solar eclipses, and should we get excited about them? Well, a total solar eclipse happens when the moon fully blocks the sun from the perspective of a narrow part of Earth's surface. Everything goes dark, the stars come out, and you can see the atmosphere of the sun with your naked eye. And this happens on average once every year and a half somewhere on the planet. The problem is the planet is big. A lot of it is ocean, a lot of it is inaccessible. We have a total solar eclipse next week, and that path is over 5,000 miles long, but only 180 miles wide. So the chances of this path intersecting where you live for a given eclipse is very, very slim. So slim, in fact, that if you were to randomly pick a spot somewhere on the globe, it would on average experience a total solar eclipse once every 375 years. A lot less frequently than 18 months. To give you a few examples, the United Kingdom, where I'm from, last had a total eclipse in 1999, but a total solar eclipse will not be visible from anywhere in the UK now until 2090. Iceland, which will experience a total eclipse next week, has not seen one since 1954, and the next one after next week won't be until 2196. Spain, which actually has 2 total eclipses coming up in the next couple of years, has not had one since 1905. Larger countries like the USA get lucky more often. The United States had a total eclipse in 2017 and 2024, but it won't now see one in the contiguous USA until 2044 and the next year in 2045. Australia, again a very big country, getting very lucky in the next few years, will have 4 total solar eclipses between 2028 and 2038. So should we get excited about these events? Well, I think yes. If you want to see a total solar eclipse, you can see one every year and a half if you really, really want to. But this costs money, this takes time, and so for an event to actually come to your country, even your continent, is far rarer. And you'll be waiting decades or even centuries for it to visit your home. So yes, absolutely. These things are worth celebrating. Don't let people take away your excitement just because somewhere else the other side of the world had an eclipse 2 years ago. If you want to know more about solar eclipses, give me a follow. I'm a solar astrophysicist and eclipse expert, and I'll be covering next week's eclipse from Spain.